Meaning of expostulation.
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 Expostulation. Expostulation refers to the act of expressing strong disapproval or disagreement with someone. It usually involves a forceful attempt to change the other person's behavior or opinion. When someone engages in expostulation, they are often trying to persuade the other person to behave differently or to reconsider their beliefs. This can lead to heated arguments or debates, as both parties try to defend their positions. Ultimately, the result of expostulation will depend on the situation and the individuals involved, but it can sometimes lead to a resolution or compromise.